Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. We're outside again. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? On the Alphabet Mountain. I'm just kidding. But yeah, we're back outside again. New destination. He does this. He does this. We outside. So we're going to Orlando, Florida, Universal Studios. Turning up for my sister's 30th. Okay. Be our birthday trips this year, clearly. Yeah, so this should be fun. It's gonna be a girls trip, going with my sisters and my mom. So super excited. I'm super excited. Outside like we're homeless. Period. Okay. So we just got here at the hotel. We're staying at Loews Sapphire Falls. Ooh. Can't wait to show you the room. Give you a little tour, So we're going to dinner. Dolly them outside. Yes, we're giving like pixie. Yeah, taste the rainbow.
Definitely giving bubble.
We are currently heading to our dinner reservation. Come on, Dolly them outside. Yeah, look real good. So we are currently at Amatista Cookhouse.
If you guys were ever wondering how she gets all her content in the fancy restaurant, she has a personal photographer. So this is a part of the lifestyle as well. Hey, superstar. Happy birthday to you, cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, dear baby.
Okay, so for the restaurant, I would give it a strong 8 out of 10. My salmon was cooked perfectly. The sides were okay. Steak was alright. I don't know what you're talking about. It's definitely 8 out of 10. But the experience was really nice. Our waiter was amazing. Chef's kiss, so nice. Gave us dessert and all. Going to the pool.
Going on.
Night pool. Okay, y'all. So we're currently at the pool. Look how nice. A little night swim outside. The water is actually really warm. Nice little heated pool. So we love that. Bonuses to y'all. Okay, this is what the outfit is giving. Yeah. To the pool. We actually came to the fire pit to warm up. Look how cute this is. Love it.
Hey, welcome to Tea on Demand.
And we're outside for Raven's 30th.
Her dirty 30.
Okay. Wanna try some?
Dirty 30. Dirty 30.
Oh, Summer Walker.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay.
It ripped?
No, I don't think so. It definitely did. cheers to our Universal girl trip. Check out this gift bag. Cheers to Universal. Do not disturb. And then we got a cute little chain. Good morning. Get ready with me. It's currently like 7:25-ish. We're getting ready to go to Universal Studio. The park opens up at 9. So we want to get there like an hour earlier so that, you know, we're able to wait in the lines and stuff like that. So yeah.
30.
Universal, here we come. So we are currently on our way to the park. OOTD, Fashion Nova, slides from MCM, Dangle from I don't know. Come, follow me. Love y'all.
I don't know what's going on, you guys.
Oh, we're here at the Revenge of the Mummy. When I tell you, this ride was super exhilarating, super fast, takes you backwards, dark, super thrilling. You should give it a try. Fast and Furious.
Usually sits here, but he's working on those party buses. Are you guys ready for the party?
Party bus.
Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we need you safe from shopping. Keep you safe when you walk up. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras. Because one flash or ringtone gave us away. So remember, got a problem? Do it together.
I would rate this ride like a 7 out of 10. It was really like kid friendly, an immersive experience. I would definitely recommend if you're not into, you know, the thrill blaster roller coaster. They sprayed water on you, fire, whole experience. Definitely recommend. We are currently at the Harry Potter World attraction. Super cool. At Harry Potter World, trying the world famous butterbeer. It's actually really sweet. It doesn't even taste like beer. I would definitely recommend. As you can see, I already been working on my cup. Shiver me timbers. We are on a journey. Oh, you see? This is what happens when you have no sense. We are currently in a Harry Potter castle. Heading on the train. Look. Let's talk about effort. All aboard! Come on, we're going on the Hogwarts train, y'all. I'm telling you, if you're looking for an exhilarating ride, I would recommend
Be careful.
this Hogwarts one. This was super exciting, y'all. Super exciting. Like,
I got the forward moving.
moving. Like, so many cool twists and turns upside down. It dropped you, like, super fun. Hello. Oh, success is calling. Happy. Oh. Hey y'all, so we're here at Maitos. Come follow me. It's awarded the world's best restaurant in a theme park. So we're gonna test it out. Oh, we're about to go on the Hulk, y'all. 75-minute wait, but I'm super excited. Ah, we lit. Guys, the Hulk was amazing. Whole bunch of ups and downs, loops and turns, twisting. I'm fine with it, yeah. In the line for Spider-Man. This ride looks really interesting, so yeah. Hi, Barbie.
I am what I am. Yeah?
I am what I am.
I am what I am.
I am what I am. Okay, y'all, so we're currently living in the park. When I tell you I had a blast, I got a chance to try out like a multitude of different rides, you know, really thrilling. So I would definitely recommend. You know, it's a good family experience. We came for a girls trip. You know, we had a blast. Now we're heading to our dinner reservation. So yeah. We are heading to dinner. Dinner outfits.
Always giving what it's supposed to give. Because we're space disorders.
Okay.
Period.
Period. That's why Mary had a little lamb.
Name a better sister trio. Kardashian with that shit.
I'll wait.
Mm-hmm.
I'll wait.
Okay.
30.
Hi, 30.
Hi, 30.
Bob Marley, here we come.
So we're here at the Bob Marley Restaurant. This is looking like a vibe. Looking like a little vibe. All right. Now we gotta see what they food talking about. You know, it's not talking about anything. Cause you know we gonna judge, and I got Mama with me this time. You know we gonna critique. Okay, I literally just finished eating, and I can tell you that the food here is really underwhelming. I would give it like a 5 out of 10, and that's really more so because of customer service. And that's really just because, like, when I eat Jamaican cuisine, I know exactly what it's supposed to taste like. So when it don't meet my standards, get it out, get it out, get it. Okay, let me not even do them like that, but he was definitely giving mediocre resort food, like, you know. The best things was probably like the jerk wings, like the apps. The plantain chips was good. I got curry goat. My sister and my mom got oxtail. It was just giving really mid. My sister got a pepper pot soup. Tastes like mount water. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm currently getting ready. We're heading to Volcano Bay. We're packing up, you know. gonna check out and stuff and just spend the day in Volcano Bay before we leave. So follow me. Volcano Bay Day.
Here we go.
Period. Outfits given.
What there's
Yeah. Period.
Don't know.
Don't know. Yeah, so we tried a muffin and it's just giving unseasoned.
Minus F. Negative F.
Negative F. Like how you mess with a blueberry muffin game? Like that's insane, right?
It's disgusting.
Yo, this is just to the trash. To the trash. Y'all ever had an unseasoned blueberry muffin gang? Okay, so they got a bus that takes us to Universal's, but they don't got a bus that takes us to Volcano Bay.
No bus.
So at y'all have to walk.
The girls are
At
walking
y'all
today.
road.
The good as
It does?
like we're gonna die in the street. I'ma die. See, look, she almost died. Like, oh, like the sun is so hot outside. I'm gonna get a tan, and I don't even need one right now because I'm going to Africa.
Raven, why are you talking like that?
Because that's my reality voice talk. Like,
Wow, that's what George said to us before that shit. Like, wow, why are you talking like that? She's like, shut up. I guess it's just a thing you do when the camera goes on. It just goes like,
what you want me to be like?
no.
But I normally talk like that though.
No, talk how you really talk.
I talk like
All right.
that.
This is, do your best Jamaican accent, Raven.
Yeah. So we gotta go. Wait, no.
Whoa, that was terrible.
Let me show y'all
You
what
said burst.
schizophrenic looks like in the modest form.
But I could do the uptown
We
one. Like,
have so many personalities in his body. One little body for 11. I pack a bunch.
I do my uptown one. Yeah. So we're going to Volcano Bay.
Oh, look at the thing.
Um,
Right here. You should get the lizard that's running on the floor.
Ain't nobody give a fuck about
Like,
no
there's
lizards.
lizards running around.
Oh my gosh, there's literally lizards and people literally want to see that. Hey y'all, so we're currently at Volcano Bay. We're gonna have some fun in the water. You know, I'm an aqua girl. Yeah, so oh, thank you. Oh, Joe, unite. Activated. Fun activated. Woo, cheers. We are currently at Dancing Dragons having a drinky drink. Woo, girls trip.
Oh, carnival, we vacate.
I normally dislike amusement park food, resort food, all of that. So I just got something safe that I know they can make. I got the chicken tenders and fries. The fries are actually good. Chicken tenders is alright, you know? Regular degular. I just needed something to hold me over, really. The drinks were good. I'm definitely feeling it. Love that it was a double shot as well. I had an absolute great time. I think my favorite ride would be the whale ride. I can't really remember the specific name, but like as soon as you enter the park, it's like one of the first slides if you keep going down. So I really enjoy that. The wave pool was a vibe. The lazy river though, that's my favorite thing. I think compared to like water countries for my New England heads, it was way litter. Like they had a underground cave thing that you went through, and like it lit up, splashed with water, everything. It was really a vibe. Okay, y'all. So I'm currently heading out. Florida, Orlando, you owe us nothing. Universal, we came, we turned up, had a great time. Yo, my experience was amazing. Like, I'm a big ass kid, so I knew I was gonna enjoy myself. Love that for me. Okay, y'all, so I just got a quick little meal. Your girl is dying from that water park. So I'm currently at the airport, about to board my plane to go back. Orlando, you ain't almost nothing. You ain't almost nothing.